It is game time, baby. Day by day, we get better and better till we can't be beat. Won't be beat. Let's go, baby. What's up, Team Ball? It's a miracle, guys. Gene is on time today. Wow. It's a miracle. What's up, Jinx? What's up, C. Price? What's up, Grizzly?
Glad you could take over host this morning.
What? I know. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. It's weird.
I think you have to be logged into the same Zoom, probably.
What's up, Run Dan Run? Run Forrest Run. What's up, Stanley? What's up, SS Hero? Ian Golf. Sexy Hockey Dad, Vinny. Brandon was good. Let's go. Let's find another winner like yesterday. Let's have another winner like yesterday. That was great. Yeah, what's up, Ed? What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Does this guy ever show a live chart? Oh my goodness, well, they're coming in early. What do you think this is? Go look at NQ right now. This is what it is. Good morning to you too, bro. Good morning to you too. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Turn Up the Pressure Tuesday. It's Turn Up the Pressure Tuesday. That's what we're going to do. We're going to turn up the pressure. Turn it up Tuesday. That's exactly what's going on. I got to get my music going. It's too quiet. Got Mr. Gene preparing for battle as well. Getting ready to make some money. It's game time. Thoughts on XRP? I have no thoughts. I don't own a single piece of XRP. I own literally zero XRP. And when I say zero, I mean absolutely zero. But I own a lot of Bitcoin. When I say a lot of Bitcoin, I mean a lot. Well, to some people, it might not be that much, but I think to the general pop, it's a decent amount. Jdun, are the Huskers a lock against Cincinnati? Oh, yeah. Lock it in. Whatever you guys make trading this week, put it on the Huskers. That is financial advice. Kidding, kind of. I'm locking in at least a few thousand. At least a few thousand on my Huskers. So far, I got 3 racks, or 2,500, excuse me, to lock in on them. Warren Buffett has said a college degree doesn't matter. Well, in a lot of cases, it doesn't. Go Big Red. Go Big Red. Go Big Red. That's what I'm saying. It's Husker power in here. Gene's going for Nebraska too. Ain't that right, Mr. Gene? Yes.
Who are they playing the first game?
Cincinnati. They should. It's at Arrowhead Stadium. It's at the Chiefs Stadium. Which is kind of interesting. I would say neutral site, but it's literally 2.5 hours from Lincoln, so it's going to be like 90% Nebraska. It's going to be mostly Nebraska. Nebraska.
Bunch of butter churners.
Yeah, the butter churners. I gotta get my option chain up and running. We get a good setup. I've been itching to trade some options. I want another 10K day trading SPY calls or SPY puts.
Yeah, don't trade QQQ. The ones I had yesterday moved.
Bro, it's odd. SPY options have more volume than QQQ options, so they typically move better.
I think I'm just gonna stick with the trade options. Probably just trade SPY or SPX.
Yeah. I haven't had a ton of luck trading QQQ options over time as well. Done all right, but
Possible swing trades, but for day trades.
yeah. I made good money trading SPY options though. Biggest year ever was off SPY options. By a long shot. Slept like crap last night. Gonna be risk off day for me. Well, good observation. Ready? You ready to join the Zoom? Access denied. Kidding. Access granted.
How are we doing today?
We're doing so good. Let's make some moolah today, baby.
Yes.
Let's make some money. Hey, I haven't even checked in on the YouTube chat yet. YouTube, I'm so sorry. Let me come show some love real quick. Oh, Huskers locked in. Over 7. Locked in, baby. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. What's up? What's up? Sagi, it's the Carmi Cam. Steve. Matthew Walters. Hey, everybody. Good morning. What's up, Jake? As a reminder to everyone on the TikTok, YouTube is full screen and we've been growing it every single day. I appreciate you guys being here. I'm going to do everything in my power to find you guys a winner today. Found you guys a nice one yesterday. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to do my absolute best to do the same thing today. Don't always win, but I always manage my risk. That is the truth. We need a crash. I mean, I'm down. Shit. Give us a crash. I need my candle lit is what I need. Need the poll. That's right. We do need the poll. We got to see. What does YouTube think we're doing? All right, YouTube. Here's the daily question. Which way we heading? Bullish, up, or bearish, down? I just want to make all of you guys aware of one thing. The dad hat's on and the glasses are on. And since I put the glasses on over 2 weeks ago, we haven't had a red day. Since Monday, since when was it? The last red day I had was that Monday the 11th. So today would mark 2 weeks of trading days green straight if we get a green day today, which we will. We're putting it in the universe. We're putting it in the universe, baby. All right, let's go ahead and mark out our levels as well. We got London low, London high. Same deal here, London low, London high. Okay, good, we're marked out. We're marked out and ready to rock. Oh, this isn't, whoops. There we go. ES is looking a bit stronger on the forefront than. There we go. Why is this? There we go. All right, now we're marked out. Kind of a tight range here. There we go. All right, now we're good. Now we are good. This is your daily reminder as well, Team Bull, to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart today. Trade focused today. Follow your plan. Know your position size. Know your risk. And don't do anything stupid. If you're going to avoid blowing yourself up, that's the first step to consistently profitable trading.
Everybody wants to see your screen, Jdun. Yeah.
I think it's, no, guys, it's sharing. You guys must be blind. Kidding. It's not sharing. Now it is, though. Now it's sharing. Now it's sharing. Now we got it going. You're funny, Grizzly. Let's get it. Market's open. Let's get it, baby. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Let's get to the money, baby. As a reminder, we typically wait the first 15 minutes, everyone. Just like to remind y'all on Team Bull every single day. So just stay patient, stay vigilant, and we will find a setup when it comes to us. Stay patient. Not seeing a whole lot in Bookmap order flow right now. So we're just going to wait. Cranking up. Let's see what the individuals are doing. Ooh, Tesla's moving up too. Tesla's exploding off the open. I believe we have NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, right? Do we have any brave souls willing to go short into NVIDIA earnings? Got any brave souls willing to put that risk on? I'm not one of them. But I know some of y'all like to live life on the edge. I'm not one of those people, but if you are, good luck. Take a step forward. Let's go.
I'm looking for possible rejection to 534.
Just a nice pump off the open.
Five four five. Possible rejection.
20 counts. They pass. And rollable. Firm. Code. All right, let's get it. What a pump off the open. What an absolute pumper off the open. Right up to London high. So that'll be interesting to see off the first candle. That'll be interesting to see. They've been having these aggressive moves just right off the open. Literally, just like right off the open, just ripping it. Huh. It's all right. We'll stay patient. Yesterday, it took us like 35 minutes to get a really good trade. Typically, that's what it takes me, is like 30 to 45 minutes. Or an hour, you know. But if I can get paid $2-3 grand for an hour and a half, even heck, if you're making $300 in an hour, 2 hours, that's great. That's great, great, great. Should we get in? Get in what? No trades. I typically don't trade the first 15 minutes. I recommend you guys be here. It gets you guys primed for when the trades are coming. We can find some setups as they're forming, but worst case scenario, guys, if you join me 15 minutes late after open, you typically haven't missed much. That being said, I want you all here. There was a day last week we caught a banger in the first like 5 minutes. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate you being here. Make sure if you are new or if you're not new and you're not following, you tap and hit that follow button in the top left corner. If you're on YouTube, you hit that subscribe button. And if you're trading with prop firms, code Jdun, code JDUN, always gets you the best possible discount. If you're on Apex, that is my preferred for evals. Tradeify, FFF. I also have a code with funding ticks now, as well as Alpha Futures. So make sure you guys use code JDUN for the best possible discount and payout protection. I will always do my best to help you guys pass and get paid out. Just got a code with funding ticks. They have a lot of good stuff going on. I also have a code with Alpha Futures. But the biggest ones I recommend for you guys are Tradeify, Apex, and FFF. Let's go. Let's go. You're welcome, bro. Possible re-entry. I'm not looking for anything in the first 15 minutes.
What are we watching here? Mm-hmm.
I'm not seeing a whole lot that I like right now.
Seems like 3-4.
Just chilling.
Also, this level here quite super high, but I prefer to wait for 5-3-4.
Interesting. Close above the London high on ES, but rejection on NQ. How did I learn to trade? A mixture of buying education and lots of screen time and trial and error. All right. Oh, Umar. I learned a lot from Umar, too. Umar was a great mentor for me and someone who inspired me a lot in my trading. And we sold off that whole move. Wow. Wow.
I see that was a good
Yep. That's him. Good morning, everybody. Just staying patient, guys. Watching market structure. I'm watching order flow, but right now I'm not seeing a whole lot that warrants any trades. I mean, I bought a lot of courses, but I'll tell you the best teacher is price action. Basically, the cool thing about nowadays is you can come and watch, for example, you can watch me trade live every day, and you basically get an interactive course every day. I mean, think about that. If you're watching real-time action and learning exactly what I'm doing, learning exactly what's happening in real time, you're basically learning from a course, but in real time and also for free on these live streams. And I don't think anything beats real-time price action and real-time experience. He's funny. I'm glad you guys have gotten a lot of value from these lives. It means a lot. So much value in watching these lives every morning. That means a lot, bro. Thank you, dog. Thank you, Bert. I appreciate you, bro. That means a lot. I don't take your follows or your time lightly. It means a lot, everybody. Thank you. I don't know. This price action is crazy. We aggressively moved above London High and then flushed low a day, and now we're sitting right in the middle of it. So that's a good sign for me to wait and stay patient. A good sign for me to wait and stay patient and not do anything stupid. Because when I find myself forcing things and doing things stupid, that's when I lose money. And I don't want to lose money. Sometimes we'll lose money as a byproduct of our system not working, but if I can avoid it and avoid losing money on trades that don't fit the system and are emotional based, then that's a net win. What are we looking at, Gene? Anything for you? No ideas yet? No bias? Yeah, Gene's not sure either. Gene been getting those payouts and bro went and retired on us. He's finally back. Yeah, bro's been in Vegas. Dude, that's crazy. You must have heard me drinking it. It's so good, man. How's your Folgers? Old man. That is hilarious, bro.
About to get confirmation for possible long entry. Just don't be too out of hand here.
I don't love the volume on this. Well, we still have 3 minutes on the candle. I didn't realize it was only 9:42. I've done lots of meet and greets, bro. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna have one massive bull con. Sometime likely in early 2026. How come you never hold contracts overnight? I made some money off AMD. I used to swing quite a bit. It's not really been something I've been interested in lately. Heard Vegas is a ghost town. I've heard that too. And you know what I think contributes to that is that the lowest number of Americans are drinking in like 90 years or something like that. The statistic was that a bunch of people are not drinking right now. I'm one of them. I'm almost 16 months sober. I haven't had alcohol in over 15 months. And on September 5th, that will be 16 months. I haven't met you yet, but I tell people you're my YouTube mentor. That means a lot. I'm honored to be your mentor. Yep, haven't. Thank you, guys. Thank you. No alcohol in 15 months. How crazy is that? Orange folders in 15. Is this affecting PA? I mean, potentially. Probably not, but it's possible. Yep, last time drinking was Cinco de Mayo, and it's not. Funny part is it wasn't for Cinco de Mayo. People are always like, "Oh, bro got trashed on Cinco de Mayo and is still hungover." Like, no, it was a Nuggets game. I just decided, you know what, I'm just done. My birthday is May 8th, so I wanted to go a year of no alcohol. And so after the May 5th, I was like, you know what, I'll just start early. I don't have any need to drink up to my birthday. And yeah, just kind of did it, and I'm getting close to a year and a half, 15, almost 16 months. All right, let's mark out our 15-minute low. So I don't think we're going to break that in the next minute. 15-minute high, and we have staggered 15-minute high and lows. And we also we're staggered with our London high and low. YouTube delays 4 to 6 seconds. No way, my birthday is May 8th too. That's awesome. May babies, Taurus gang. Taurus gang. That's why we whip the lamb chops. Oh shit, Grizzly trading the Tesla. Okay. All right. All right. Our levels are set. Let's get this drawn here. 15-minute high to low. All right. So we're right around our middle line right now. If you're on the screen share, we're right in the middle of this range on both ES, the S&P, and also on the NASDAQ and Q. Let's go check out the hourly, see if we're missing anything on the higher time frames. Not a whole lot. Gene, everyone says good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to Mr. Gene. Good morning to Mr. Gene. Don't. Yes, all the my levels are marked out on YouTube. It's full screen. Jdun Trades on YouTube. If you're already on YouTube, I appreciate you being here. Make sure you guys keep that bell icon on and you guys hit that subscribe button so you don't miss these every single morning. If nothing else, even if you don't trade, obviously if you're here, you probably trade or you have an interest in trading. I'm going to make sure you stay disciplined every day. Stay disciplined and patient. And that is a fact. That is a fact. Oh, there we go. There's a sell. All right, let's see here. There's a sell. Let's see if we can get any continuation here.
I hate how our 15-minute range is right. Has that pre-market high, previous day close right inside of it.
Got 3 more minutes on this next 5-minute candle. It's interesting. We got NASDAQ falling below its 15-minute low, but ES is still in its 15-minute range.
We do have some data at 10 as well.
What do we have?
Consumer confidence. Consumer confidence.
Yep, consumer confidence. Well, we'll see if it's... What'd you say, Greg?
Looking for the shorts.
Oh.
Getting ready.
I'm interested in shorts as well. I like them more in NQ than I do SPY at the moment, or on ES. Sucks because I want to trade some SPY options.
Trade some SPX options.
Yeah. Get straight back into options heavily with SPX. Raise your blood pressure real quick. Real quick. Top Step's great. I don't have an affiliate code with them, but I'm never going to talk about on Top Step. They're the OGs. They're fair. They pay out. They're solid. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if they give us the orb. What's the high here? 500, 460. So if we go back up to like 470-ish in this area, I'll likely look for shorts with stops above 500. We can also target these London lows. And got so far. To lose it all. In the end, give us a little pop up so we can enter some shorts. So we got the close below that 15-minute low. If we can come back up a little above this, here I will start looking for shorts. I'm watching the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Just a little too much risk here with that stop having to be above 500. Watching up here.
Dialing candles.
Violent. I haven't entered yet. I'm waiting. Gonna need some confirmation. Just waiting, everybody.
Looking for the lungs.
Looking for lungs?
Yeah, because we are killing this fair value gap.
Looking for shorts. You watching ES or NQ?
NQ.
I'm watching ES for possible short entry here.
Starting nine. I haven't taken anything yet.
I'm tempted to try a piece of shorts. This candle looks really strong.
I'm gonna try some ES shorts. ES shorts.
Trying a piece of shorts too.
You going with NQ?
Yeah.
ES, everyone. First price target 644.4.5.
I want lighter size. I don't love these aggressive candles. The setup looks all right. We'll see how this 5 minute closes. If we end up closing strong up here above that 15-minute low, I'll stop it out early. Added a few contracts up here. The stop at 500. So if I lose this trade, if we go up to this 500, I will be out for a loss to start the day. Have not hit it yet. Hard stop is at 500. And it just got hit. I'm out for my first loss of the day. Loss. I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. Fudge! We're a lighter size, but I swear, if it goes and pings me at 500 right there and then tanks down, I'm going to be salty.
6452 is my average. 6452.
Kept it small. I mean, reasonable, but I'm out, guys. I'm out. And if we get a close below again of this low, I can look for re-entry, but can't personally hold. So you guys are aware. I'm out. There was good risk reward there. Setup looks solid with volume. Just be careful if you're still holding. The setup is no longer valid. The close back up with a 15-minute low, closed above the midline here. But setup looks all right. That's something I would take 10 out of 10 times. Looked like we were coming up. If you look at the 1 minute, 5 minute coming up, had the wick in here, moved back down. It's all right. The Jdun second trade of the day indicator is going to fire. The Jdun second trade indicator to fire. We're going to stay very patient for it, though. Yeah, volume and PA did look good. It's all right. 0 for 1. 0 for 1 on the day so far. Followed the stop loss. So we'll see if it ends up being a liquidity sweep up or if we keep moving on up.
For those that are still in ES shorts with me, be sure you have your stop loss in for data. My stop loss on this trade is at 6457.5.
There we go. I'm bringing
Red or entry here.
best of luck to you, partner. NQ stopped me out at 500. Stop me out. So now we will wait for an A+ re-entry. 0 for 1 on the day so far. No tilt. We're chilling. We are chilling. No tilt. Oh. These are some violent candles to start the day. Honestly, though, any trade that I can define my risk, have solid risk reward, and follow the plan is a dub for me. We also have news in 3 minutes. If it was calculated, then that's okay, Milkman. If it was just holding for hope or oversizing, then that's not a good place to be. If it's a calculated loss, I'm okay with that. If you're just putting on random size and blowing accounts and losing more money than you should, then that's no bueno. Every trade should be calculated. We have 2 minutes till data. Right in between this 15-minute high and low, so.
So they pass at 4 to 6. Let's see what happened after the new pass. My scenario is I was looking this level 4 to 6.
Yep, it's just chopping.
at least 632. But we can see push caps on 534 shorts, 534, 545, but the main.
This is your reminder, guys. Choose discipline over dopamine, everybody.
From 4 to 6.
Trade smart, trade safe. Trade smart, trade safe.
632. Because the end
Come on.
is 838.
Let's see how we react over this 500 as well. This has been some violent price action back and forth in this 15-minute range so far. Each candle like 50-plus points.
If we go through in this trade with me, you must have a physical stop loss. Data's dropping.
Yep, got data dropping in 30 seconds.
My first price target on the shorts is 6444.5.
Door's doing all right. Damn, Bitcoin's down at 110. I'm going to go buy $2,000 worth just because. That's crazy. All right, data dropping in 210. Nothing burger so far. Nothing burger. I have to say, though, I'd prefer at this moment, just looking at price, I don't love anything. I don't think anything is super high probability, but until we break this low down here, I'm going to look for longs. U.S. consumer confidence came in at 97.4 and forecasted at 96.5. Is that real, chat? Are we really feeling confident as consumers in the United States of America's economy right now?
You do. He wants to get my stop.
I don't know about y'all, but I think it's kind of cap. I don't know many people who are too confident in the prices of things right now. I think it's capping. I appreciate you guys being here, YouTube. As a reminder, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We are live every single day. Damn, we're about to break a record for concurrent viewers. If we get this up to 1,000 people, if we get this up to 1,000 people, I will give away $1,000 cash today. TikTok right now we have 600 people in. If we get 300 more of y'all to go over to YouTube, we'll be at 1,000 concurrent viewers, and I will give away $1,000 cash. Yes, sir. No one gives away more than Team Bull and Jdun, baby. We'll make it happen every day. Y'all get us up to 1,000. Bro said, I'll open up YouTube right now. Jdun Trades, baby. Come tap in. Come on, baby. Hopefully I can find you guys a winner now to make up for that first loser. And we kept it small, but still, I would say I don't like losing, but unfortunately it's part of the game. I don't think anyone likes losing, but as long as it's kept calculated, it's fine. And when I see price chopping like this, it makes me feel a little better. I appreciate you being on both, baby. Right now, I prefer longs over shorts, but I'm not confident enough to enter. I'd love to see us build a base above this London high and this 15-minute high. Stay patient, y'all. Stay patient, stay patient, stay patient. And choose discipline over dopamine. It's your daily reminder. I also appreciate, I see a lot of you guys tap into these prop firms. I always say this, that you can use code Jdun for the best possible discount, code JDUN, but I don't want you trading on prop firms forever. Once you getting your payouts, and using them as a tool to fund your own live account. I know you don't hear that a lot from people with codes because they want you to keep using their code and buying more and making them money, but fact of the matter is, guys, is that these prop firms are a tool. They're not an end-all be-all. Make your money, get your payouts, fund your own live account, and secure your freedom. Order flow is looking good those last few candles of some aggressive buying. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Higher volume on the 5-minute. Potential close above London high. A little bit of wick on that candle, though. I'm watching this price action, everybody. It's a possibility to look.
Push up, caught my stop by like exactly on it. And watch it flush. Literally touched my stop to the key and sucked back on.
Kids yelling, Dada.
There's a 5.5 points worth of risk on that trade.
What lamb chop do you have? We'll talk about cars once I TikTok just asked me if this was an appropriate live. I said, hell yeah, brother, let's go. We'll talk about cars once I find y'all a winning trade. At this point, I'm going to have to stick with the humble Honda, which I actually am very excited to get the humble Honda back today. We finally get the humble Honda back today. It was other way. There we go. It was in the shop getting tinted. Unc, why y'all keep calling me Unc? I'm not that old. I'm not even 30 yet. The Hondeezy is the best car we have. The humble Hondeezy is exactly it. Bro said not even 30. Hey, we're not counting. Old doesn't start till like 70s. And if you're in your 70s and you're watching this, I love you, but sorry, Gramps, you're old. At least in age, maybe not in the heart. Yeah, little man is talkative this morning. Staying patient, guys. I know the itch to take more trades, especially after initial losing trade too. Your go-to Jdun. I'm up in Castle Rock. You're in my state. You inspire me for some reason. Appreciate that, bro. Do my best, man. Us Colorado folks got to stick together. Let's go. I don't day trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, just futures and options. This is tempting me to try a long. We're getting this wick up. We held this midline here. Longs are looking tempting, man. I'd like to see one more candle close. If we could just close this candle right around like 500 to 505 with higher volume, I'll try longs. I'd like to see us actually close correction like 507 or right above this this London high. Staying super patient. Where'd Mr. Gene go? I need to use the restroom. I was gonna get Mr. Gene on the mic to say hi. Only problem is if we try longs here, this 15-minute high, you almost have to bank on that we're gonna build above the 15-minute high. All right, Gene. Come say hi to everyone. You guys be nice to Gene. I gotta use the restroom. Hopefully we don't. We're probably gonna get a massive move once I get up. You guys be nice to Mr. Gene.
What's up? That day's pretty good, fam. They're healing good. Look. Ooh.
Very nice, Mr. Gene.
Oh,
Are we getting the move up now?
Yep.
Wow.
we are.
Wow. I freaking every time I get up, bro. Every time. Even there, though, it would have been, well, entering at 507, stop at 486. Would have been just about 1-to-1 if you got that top tick trim. Gene made it move. I need to get, yeah, y'all telling me to leave more often. That's messed up. That's messed up. It would have just been 1-to-1 either way. Yo! Let's go! We got over 1,000 people, baby. Let's go! Hey! I'm gonna have to give away a rack to y'all. Let's go! We got over 1,000. Oh, come on! Now we're at 957. Was it Cap? Let's go! I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button, baby. Let's go! We're growing, baby. All right, let's see if this will give us another short entry. This might give us a short entry. If we can fail this candle, or if we can have this failure candle here, I'm open to one more try on shorts. We'll see how it ends up closing. Volume bad in and out. Doesn't say that. It says my connection's great. Huh. Weird. I don't know why that happened. Check, check, check. All right. There we go. Let's see. Check, check, check. Why'd the YouTube crash out? Why'd the YouTube crash out? Why'd the YouTube crash out? I don't know why it crashed out on us. I wouldn't say bad price action, but it's definitely been there we go. I don't know why the YouTube was crashing out for a second. It was legit crashing out on us for no reason. There we go. Should be better now. I don't know why it was crashing out. Y'all literally broke the live. Literally broke the live. It was just tripping out for a second. I don't know why that happened. That was weird. Maybe it was bots. Might have been some bots. I don't know what that was. That was very odd. Well, I can't short this candle, guys. I can't short this candle. Yeah, I'll restart the live. The latency's still the same. Just click on your tab and it's called refresh it. It should be fixed. Just restart reset your live on YouTube. It should be good. Everything's showing good on my end. Yes, you just have to restart it. Just refresh it. Refresh. It's probably the bots. Appreciate y'all being here, though, for real. Yep, just got to refresh it. TikTok never crashed out on us, though, did it? We always have a fake Jdun in the top 100 viewers. We go through and look every time they're on here. That's so funny. Every time, bro. Well, Luis is here to work on the door. Grizzly, you got anything on watch? Got anything on watch, my boy? Yes, no, maybe so.
What's up?
Said we got anything on watch?
Just looking for a trade entry, man. So far, price action is not making sense. For me, at least.
Greg's longs are doing well so far. What was your entry, Greg? What? Oh yeah, you can let it in if it's not open. for 4 words. Yeah. 511, nice. You're up like 8 points right now. No new trades for me. No new trades for me. I'm not in any positions, guys. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button if you're on TikTok, or subscribe if you're on YouTube. And as a reminder, if you're trading with prop firms, make sure you use code JDUN, Jdun, for the best possible discount. Right now, Apex is 80% off. You can trade up to 20 accounts, and with code JDUN, You got payout protection. If there's ever any issues with your payout, you got Big Daddy Jdun fighting for you. Hoorah. Greg's trimming his longs, guys. 12 points. See if we can keep moving. Nice job, Greg. Very nice job.
The main scenario is just that level 4 to 6, they bounce, so that's why we will continue pumping. They're just playing with us right now. Because their daily range, I'm looking, is from 4 to 6. It's a big range, guys. 4 to 6, 838, so 400 points.
Oh, 0 for 1 still for me. I don't know if I will either. I mean, it hasn't even been an hour yet. So I still have like an hour 10 left of trading, but.
Everything I see is saying downside. Push up the previous day close on ES. I'm interested to see what we do. I'll be surprised if we continue up today. Maybe this chops.
What's up, Gene? Don't know. Yeah, not in love with the PA. This aggressive price here got me. Then we've just been slowly grinding up here.
Think it'll be one of the slow grind up days, man?
Could be. Definitely a possibility. Definitely a possibility, Teambo. Definitely a possibility. Yeah, I don't love the orb right now. We'll see how this next 5-minute candle looks. It honestly looks better on ES than it does NQ. Looks better on the S&P.
The main scenario is pump, but we can't take some scars.
Nice job, Greg.
They still me on the runner, but it's okay.
Oh.
I made money.
Like your idea was right. That's good.
Yep. So who's making money going to lunch?
Jumped along. Yep, still moving up. I'm just waiting. We'll see how this next candle closes. The only issue I have, let's go look at the 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, now we are between 434, 545, 534.
Nice job, dog.
Thank you. We'll see if they break these levels to continue the costing.
Oh, 44.
Question is, are they going to come those 400 points to edge?
If we start getting a breakout, look for a longs entry on pullbacks. I like the S&P ES more than I like the NASDAQ though.
If you're still making lunch, be careful with these levels, guys. Your stop loss must be in profit. Those 545, 534 are really strong, so we could be rejecting. But the main point is pumping.
459.
That's what my friend told me.
We will do the giveaway at the end. Yep. We got it up there. So we'll do the giveaway at the end. We'll do the giveaway at the end on the YouTube. You guys got us there. First time ever having over 1,000 concurrent viewers. Giving away $1,000, baby, on the YouTube. Yep, y'all are the best. I appreciate you guys coming every day. Sorry I haven't gotten you a winner yet. Let's see how this ends up being on. ES could give us an entry. What's this? 50, 58. She doesn't look half bad. If we can get this close here, pull back down. I'm going to watch for ES longs. Can technically watch for NQ longs as well in the pullback. Do a Lambo Revuelta giveaway. Give away the lamb chop. Give away the lamb chop. Looking for the retest back down now, everybody. If we can get a retest back down, I'm open to the longs. What, Grizzly?
You looking around 520?
Yeah, ish. Or an ES, honestly, looks like it has a little less risk.
Like that. So the 520. Have to keep stuff below that 500 though. I'm thinking.
Yep. See if we can retest down around that 20 area, 25 to 20. Give us a micro pullback. Come on. I want to see us retest this 20 area. That's the only way I'm willing to try along is if we get a retest back down. Do have a good amount of sellers sitting in here for NQ, this 550 area. Do I have a watch on my wrist right now? Nope. I don't usually wear a watch when I trade. Honestly, I don't really wear a lot of my watches in general, bro. I don't know. I will sometimes. Like maybe like once a week I'll wear a watch when I trade. It's just kind of a hassle. Put your watches on your wrist right now. You want me to run upstairs and get a watch? maybe tomorrow. I'll come with the rolly on the wrist tomorrow. I'll come with the rolly on the wrist tomorrow. I haven't earned the rolly today. I'm red on the day. I haven't earned the rolly. All of them. You want you want my wrist full of watches like a rapper. Put the iced out AP on. Screw it. Put the rollie on the wrist. Let's see if we can get this pull back. Yep, let's get the retrace. I'd love it. Why do you want me to get one of my watches and put it on for the live? Signed up for Apex using code Jdun. I appreciate you, bro. I also just got a funding ticks code. So if you guys are trading with funding ticks, they have some really good plans, really good straight to funded and eval plans. You can use code Jdun for 30% off there as well. Anyone here trading on funding ticks? I was doing my research and it looks like they have a lot of pretty solid plans for you guys. One trade, I took a loss earlier. I am currently 0 for 1. 0 for 1 on the day. If we retest a little lower on ES, I'm open to longs too. ES got close, but not quite to where I wanted it to be. Because you have to have risk below this 456. So, I mean, technically speaking, I guess you could enter in here. I'm going to be a little more cautious. What is it with you guys wanting me to grab my watch? Why do you guys want me to grab my watch? I don't even deserve to wear the watch right now. If we catch a winner, I'll go get a watch. How about that? I'll grab the damn watch if we catch a winning trade. So y'all better be rooting for me. If I can find a winning trade, we'll get the watch. Yep. Not seeing a lot in order flow either. If you guys on TikTok want to see, this is what I'm talking about when I speak to you about order flow. Looking at the order book here and then our heat map. You can see we have a lot of sellers potentially sitting at this 550. So we're having trouble getting through here. Typically speaking, if you see aggressive buying in here, this resistance will become support and we'll keep moving. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, I know. The book map's not on the YouTube. I gotta upload it onto my OBS. Here, let me see. I can probably do that real quick. Hold on. Book map. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about book map and order flow. You can see we have some potentially aggressive sellers sitting here in this red. So we'll see if we end up rejecting this area or we get an aggressive, some aggressive buyers that make this resistance into support. It looks like, it does look like COVID, bro. I always say that. All right. We're getting close to this ES. We're getting close to this ES. 456 to 458. ES is technically in an area we can look for longs down here. Stops will just have to be about below 456. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I have not entered yet. 558. All right, guys, hold on. Let's see here. Yes. I love how this 1 minute looks. Let's see how we close in 30 seconds from now. I got my finger on the trigger for a buy on ES. If we did take it, there's not a lot of risk. Keep stops at like 550.5. Don't love that. We're technically at this orb level, guys. I just don't love this price action.
We're here. We're just chilling. Waiting on this retest if we get it.
I'm watching ES for longs. Testing a piece of ES longs. Testing a piece of ES longs. Small. So I'm going to keep a hard stop at 56. So only a few points of risk here, only like 2.5 points. Got to follow the system. So if I lose this, I'll technically have room for one more loss. I'm in really small. I'd like to see a high a day. Like to see a high a day, but I will get stopped out at actually 455.50. We have this fair value gap here, higher volume, 15-minute high. I don't love how this candle's looking, but it fits the system, technically speaking. So I'm going to keep it super light. If we end up closing this 5 minute below here, I will stop out before my hard stop.
Closer to 520 on try some loans on the NQ. A little lower.
Looks good. Looks good, man. Looks good. So cinnamon. I don't like how this 5 minutes looking on ES at all. I do have a hard stop set at 55.50. So not a ton of risk. But I don't like how this 5 minute looks at all. See if we hold this right here. I'm willing to, if we got to close below the 15-minute high with higher volume, last thing I'd be willing to look at is going short. Right now, I'm still in my long with stops at 5.50. touching that fair value gap here on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute high. I think NQ looks decent too in this pullback. If you're going to follow the trend, I'm already tried the ES, so personally not going to participate in NQ.
All right, everyone. If you're waiting on this NQ, we're about done now. Entry is going to be around.
Just oh my gosh, again
5:20.
hit it. I'm not in ES. Just hit my stop again. I mean, it was only 3 points and one contract, but a little over $150 more. Annoying. And watch it end up just ripping. Watch it end up just ripping. You trying that NQ, Grizzly?
Not in yet.
I don't know. I think it looks weak, man. ES at least. ES at least.
Position. Everyone on NQ. 23 below 23,500 stop, but I will add if we push down closer to
23,500. Good luck to you, brother. Looks decent. I don't like how the 5-minute chart looks, but I like that previous resistance turn support level. Grizzly in the longs. Grizzlies in the longs and NQ.
About 20 kilos too, so we can leave it more. Let's wait a little more.
Looks like a good spot. Grizzlies in the longs, guys.
Taking kilos.
Greg in the longs too.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And give us a 5 to 5. Stop loss is
Zero come. No new trades for me, guys. No new trades for me. No new trades for me. Not with this. How this price looks.
Pricing fast, Mr. Nice. Kilos.
Let it rip.
To break this 534, 545.
One more try on those longs with you guys. With stops at 514. So only like 12, 13 points of risk.
Only way I exit position if we push down to like 505 or 510 area.
There we go. So far, so good. Let's see if we can push up to like 540s.
Stop loss is a pricing fair.
Say you'll go down.
Everyone understands what I'm doing here on NQ about the stop loss. I like this stuff.
Sarah, go down. There we go. See if we can give us high a day. Give us high a day.
Try this 534. Keep this train.
Come on.
This train.
Come on. There we go. There we go.
There you go, baby. There you go.
There we go.
So, I'm entering yet. I'm gonna be entering this.
Come on. Up over 10 points right here, guys.
Stop loss over here. Just in case. Doing some stop loss over here.
Come on, give us high a day. Give us high a day, baby. Come on. Give us high a day. Come on. Come on. Give us high a day. Give us high a day, baby. Come on. I'm taking a little off here just to be safe. There we go. High a day. Yes. Yes, yes. High a day. Beautiful, beautiful trim up there. Stops at break even. Beautiful trim up there. Let's go. There we go. Stops at entry, everybody. Let's see if we can ride this higher. Let's see if we can ride this higher. Got trim off near high a day. Stops are at break even. Let's see if we can ride this higher. Nice initial call, Greg and Grizzly. I got a little bit entry after you guys, but still worked out nicely. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on.
Stop loss in profit, guys.
Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Money bags. Let's see if we can get higher. Stops are at break even. Come on. Come on. Do we have some trapped buyers up here? Is that what that's showing us? We'll take it. We got the high day. We got my price target on that. That's what I wanted. We will take it.
2 green trades, guys. 2 green trades. Opportunities. Somewhere around.
I'm still in, everyone. If we push down and break that top 23, I'll be out.
Your stop loss is hanging on
Thread.
by a thread. Yeah, by a dollar and some change, bro. That's funny.
Another one. Shall we quick for today?
Is anybody still in this with me?
I still got some runners with you.
The runners were still going profit.
I should have technically had my hard stop down there at 25, but I didn't. Now we're going to put a hard stop in at 28.75.
You all didn't get a trim off the virtual.
Come on.
Initial push up.
I told you I was going to find you guys a winner. I found a winner, so now I'm going to have to get you guys my watch, huh? Now I'm going to have to find you my watch because we found a winner. I promised you guys I would.
Hey, it's the first day I got a good film.
I entered again. I literally said I was in again, guys. I don't know. You have to listen. We heard that correctly, right? TikTok, YouTube. What do you mean? Trying longs again. That means longs. You can't. I don't say, hey, guys, okay, right here, I'm currently going to press buy on my mouse. That's not how it works. If we're in the longs, we're in the longs. The mic is certainly on. Grizzly and Greg were already in. So I'm trying longs one more time with 12 to 13 points of risk. Heard you. Thank you. Now my stop loss is set at 29. At 2.9, I will be stopped out of my remaining longs position. Just listen, my bro. It's okay if you don't hear. Hey, Grizzly and Greg got a better entry than I did. They got a much better entry than I did. Why does bro want to see my watch so bad? Yeah, sorry, I took 2 losses to start. That means we're 1 for 3. That second loss was minuscule, though. It was nothing. 1 for 3. I'd love to see new highs. That would be ideal. That would be ideal, everybody. Jonathan, you kept it small. That's what's up, bro.
Again, this 545, 534 range resistance. In case you're wondering, from that levels, you see the candle for.
This looks like it wants to flush this.
For our time frame. 2 p.m. candle from yesterday. It's a candle with high volume. The middle of that candle is 534. The 60% of candle is 545. This is how I got that levels. Why that candle? Because it's a candle with high volume. Therefore, our time frame. But if you go to the daily time frame,
Bro's gonna crash out over the watch.
where they bounce was candle from 19. August 19. Candle with high volume. The middle of that candle is 632. To be able to get that level, we need to break this 4-hour resistance 534, 545. That's why the pumping scenarios we describe.
Not in the trade anymore, guys. Not in the trade anymore, just so you guys are aware. Oh,
I'm holding. I'm still in there, bro. Holding to it. That's my
Grizzly's still holding. You got a better entry than I did. Bro got a better entry than I did. Am I looking for another trade? Potentially.
Block 23.
Yeah, bro, just Google nice watch.
So this is a winning trade. So if you're just getting on, don't take this trade. You're right trim. Nice profits. High day. Just letting the rest of your position play out.
Grizzly's still in the trade, guys. Grizzly's still in the trade. I am not. Grizzly's still in the trade. Grizzly is still in the trade. I am not.
I know we are at this resistance. If the scenario is pumping, okay, the short is going to be pushed up really quick. You can scalp it. These levels. You can scalp the range, no problem. But the main scenario is pumping. That's why I'm staying away from the shorts.
I hope it skyrockets for everyone too.
Everyone has been scalping these levels. The short spot. 545, 534.
Hopefully it just rips for the boys. For the boys and girls, let it rip without me. Hopefully it rips for y'all. I'm hoping so. You give me so much confidence to trade. That's awesome. Yeah. By the way, yeah, you can go on the just scroll back on the live. You can hear me getting into that third one. I don't even got to say it. You can scroll back on these lives. So go back and watch it. What's up, Gene? Hello. Caught a nice winner on longs. How was your trading day?
Me?
Yeah.
Good.
You take anything?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You win or lose?
One. Cut those long, you guys.
No, Gene's not late. He's been here.
I've been here. Don't insult me. So not only a door breaker.
Bro's a door breaker.
You're a door breaker.
Hopefully it gives you high a day, bro. It's looking good. You got a really nice entry on that. Hopefully it gives you high a day, my bro.
It does.
What do you say?
What do you say, Grizzly?
If it's high day, Gene has to buy your dinner.
Yup. Gene has to buy dinner if it's high a day.
It's high day, you gotta buy me coffee. Mr.
I'll buy you coffee.
No, Grizzly asked you.
I'll make you some Folgers.
Grizzly will make us all Folgers.
We're gonna go to Tennessee and go get some Folgers.
I did get the car back. I didn't get my. I'm finally getting my humble Honda back today. I'm excited.
What happened with the Honda?
It's getting tinted. Getting the windows tinted.
Gene, let's just sold all his long term there, so when you're high day.
Gene said, I ain't buying no coffee. Oh. Look at these candles, bro. This is ridiculous. Can I have some of your books? What kind of car do you have? What's up, Johnny? It's going all right, bro. I'm still slightly red, but I got some back with that last trade, so it's all right, man. I took one loss to start, took the second. It was a baby loss, but still a loss by definition. And then caught a winner. So not my best day, but it was okay. Managed risk very well. Ask what whip I got. I'll show you the whip. This is an exact replica of it from Lambo. Look at this puppy. Woo! Literally exact replica. Tell me that's not hard. Literally every spec, the same color, even the interior you can't really see, but it's the same interior. Wheels. Shit's hard at AF. Super hard, bro. I got all my Hormozy books that I paid $6,000 for right here, too. I still got all my books to give out too. I bought 200 to gift. Maybe I'll give them away to the live streams. Give them all to Gene. Give them all to Mr. Gene. So,
23 of you. It's over. Got my head through. That's just a continuation on one thing, but we did get that today. So the first time.
The show is going to find the right one. Perfect one. Which could be a retracement to 5 to 5. Let's see. A little bit more.
thinking about crushing this. It's at that 15-minute high again. You gonna try shorts or what?
I'm looking now. Let's go to price action.
That's it for me. Team Bull, one winner, one loser. We well managed losing trade as well. Catch you all later.
I think shorts are in play too. I 100% agree. We'll see how we react to this 15-minute high. I think it's definitely a possibility if we can close below it. This price action's been a bit trappy though, so we'll see. This candle does look, this reversal candle looks good though. What's the high here? 51 to 20. If we'd close below this 15-minute high, I'd say I'd look for shorts in here. I mean, this last candle looks good. What's Luis doing, Gene?
Cutting stuff out.
What?
I don't know what he's doing. He's putting the door in there.
Oh, is he putting the door in? Nice.
Can you use some power tools? Huh?
Hmm?
You can use some power tools?
No. Not really. Yeah, it needs to close the 5-minute below the 15-minute high for the reverse orb to be valid. For the reverse orb to be valid. I don't know. It's looking a little weak. We'll see. I don't like that we're holding this 15-minute high, but besides that, he said 3 to 4 years is what it typically takes to become profitable if you don't start with a good mentor. With Jdun, less than 6 months guaranteed. That's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. Trading is good. Trading is going well. Just staying patient. So long. I can tell you one thing. Team Bull was the smartest thing I ever did. Let's go. Vinny, my man, let's go. Pin that up. Favorite prop, if you'd like straight to funded, then Tradeify. You can use code Jdun for 35% off. If you want evals, I like Apex for the most scalable firm. The trailing drawdown's tough. But besides that, once you get past that, it's really good. Team Bull is the best out there. Love it. Thank you guys. I'm glad. I love all the positive words from you guys. Means a lot. Seriously. Means the world, everybody. So let's see if we get this reverse orb now. I still think the shorts look better. In my opinion. We'll see how we just closed that 5-minute candle. We're holding that 520 with might. We're holding it strong. We're holding it strong, I'm telling you. We break this down, get a 5-minute close below with solid volume. We might see a really nice move down, at least one in highs. And if we can break that down, we got a big room down. Yep, you don't hope at all. We wait for A+ setups. I always say this is watching us trade live every day and joining these live streams is better than any course out there. Because you get real experience in real time. Just join every morning. Make it a commitment to join every morning. We're live every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. at the latest. At the latest, I'm on right at market open. I try to get on like 15 minutes before, 10 to 15 minutes before. I still think shorts are looking good. I still think shorts are looking better, especially if we close this candle weak. Still think shorts look a little better. Just popped in. Yep. 1 winner, 2 losses. Let's see. We close this candle in. Less volume, but what's the high here? 31, 20. I wish we would have had more volume on this 5-minute candle. I'd say to look for shorts with stops above like 32. But it doesn't fit my system. It does not fit my system, technically speaking. How was everyone's trading days, Team Bull?
So far, so good.
I don't think it's a bad idea to test shorts. I think it looks better than longs at the moment, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, I think it looks better than longs. I did take trades, 2 losers and 1 winner. Currently slightly red on the day. Currently slightly red on the day, everybody. Kept it very managed. That last one really helped out.
Price action is missed easy right now. So I'm gonna be done for today, guys, with my 2 green trades.
Eugene, where's Eugene? He walked out to the living room.
No more strength.
Eugene's been in and out all morning.
Like they're holding the move to 11:30.
Still think shorts look better.
Was looking the shorts, but
I think shorts look better too.
yeah, it's slow. It's slow.
I just don't love that we're hovering this 15-minute with no aggressive volume. As a reminder, guys, I appreciate you all being here. I will always do my best to help you guys learn how to trade with confidence, get funded, get paid out, and keep moving forward. Make sure you guys tap in at that follow button, trade smart, trade safe, and let's keep moving. Lambo hat, but no Lambos. That's great. Oh, he probably hasn't seen. I don't think bro was trying to be a hater. Maybe he was. I don't know. Yeah, I think he was confused. We did get rid of both the Urus and the Huracan. But we upgraded. I need to get a GoPro. I need to get a GoPro that I can walk you guys to the garage with. We upgraded to the Revuelto. All I can tell y'all is that no matter how much you're up this week, $100, $1,000, $10,000, put it all on my Nebraska Cornhuskers this Thursday, baby. It's a lock for Cincinnati. It's a lock. What's the advantage of joining Team Bowl versus joining into watching live on YouTube? Well, there's a few. For one, there's no lag on the Zoom. So there's 4 to 6 seconds on YouTube, 4 to 6 seconds on TikTok. There's zero lag on, on Zoom. You get access to our whole community of traders in there. Everyone's committed. Everyone's invested in themselves and their education. You get 100 plus hours of recorded education and potential and random meetings with Jared Tendler and other guest speakers. So there's a lot of different benefits, but there's a lot of people that just want free live streams, and that's why the YouTube's here. That's why the TikTok's here. It's cool. Appreciate you guys being here, just watching. If you guys are trading with prop firms, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. Get yourself the best possible discount and get yourself some payout protection. Does Eugene teach? No. Yeah, now we got the reversal here. I'm the payout enforcer, baby. That's right. No more shorts now that we close that 5 minute above. There's no solid trades for me. So at this point, I'm going to end my day slightly red. It's looking like I'm going to end my day slightly red. I'd rather work at Wendy's before a prop firm. Well, then go work at Wendy's. I don't eat seed oils or any of that stuff, so I won't be attending, but hope it works out well, bro. I'm not stopping. There's nothing wrong working for Wendy's. I worked at Jimmy John's for a hot minute.
See you, people. Take care.
See you, Greg.
Take care, Jdun.
Have a good one, bro. Take care.
Take care.
See you, bro. I got 15 more minutes here, at least. Unless we start to see some really good action. Damn, are we going to completely false break out above there? Let's see. Can't decide what we want to do with this 15-minute high. I eat seed oils every day. Look at my arm. Well, it's probably not a good thing long-term for your health. I wouldn't recommend that. Of course, I'm kind of a health freak. Ain't no one going to convince me that seed oils are healthy for you. Ain't nobody. I have an open mind to most things, not that. Tell us how you got here to where you're at. I'd like to hear your story. Well, there's a few different facts to my story. I grew up single mom, dad in prison, then got shot and killed. No trust fund. Was raised by my grandma most of the time. My mom was working. Had good grades in high school, but ended up dropping out. Got my GED. I still have that, actually. As a matter of fact, I still got my GED right here. Got my GED after dropping out because I wanted to go to college still. Went to college for 2 years. Didn't like it. Didn't see any value in it for myself. Not that there's no value for you. There could be. Ended up getting into the streets, trapping, doing that whole thing. Caught myself a nice old interesting charge, life. Kind of prompted me to realize I needed to look into something else. That was back in 2018. And was around the time where I really started taking my trading seriously. I got into trading in 2016, but it wasn't for a few years in until I was like, wow, I really got to get focused up. My charge was possession of over 50 pounds of lettuce. We'll call it that. Over 50 lbs of lettuce. Yeah, no bueno. I lost a lot of money on that. That sucked. So I got my life together. Funny thing is, I haven't even smoked ganja in over 7 years. It was actually closer to 90 if you want the real answer, but the charge is just over 50. I'm proud you changed around when it was so hard. Yep. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that more than you know. Yeah, peanut oil. Hood done. How did you immerse yourself in trading? Books, mentor, or websites? All three. I just think that honestly, books, there's not a lot to learn from books about trading in a sense that they don't give you any real experience in real time. There's good tidbits to take from books, especially in the psychology aspect. But no book's going to turn you into a profitable trader. One of my favorite books is let me show you. It's way up here. Well, this is a book that gave me a lot of basis to how I trade. Just join Team Bull, has everything you need to win. I'm saying, if you guys want access to Team Bull, if you'd like me to be your mentor, or if you have questions about how you can learn, the only place I answer DMs is on IG. My IG is Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades. You can message me there. If you're looking for a mentor, if you'd like to join Team Bull, the best place to get in contact with me is on IG. I was in Colorado. If it was in like Louisiana or something, then might have been different, but. Here's the book, though. Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cooling. Great book. VPA, I talk about it every day. Talk about it every day. Talk about it every day. Yo, Gene. What are you doing? What are you doing? You working? You drilling shit? All right.
Locking up the cabinets.
You want to talk to everyone real quick?
Sure.
I got it. I'll be right back. You guys be nice to Gene, all right? You guys be nice to Mr. Gene.
This is what I do during the day. I play with power tools. Are you asking me, Momentum, if I took anything? I already traded. I'm done already. And I'm actually installing some cabinet locks so Jdun's son doesn't get into the cabinets anymore. I've been trading for 4 years. I only traded my evals today. I'm up 1,500 on both of them. If you trade, sure. I don't know. It kind of just came about of me just, I don't know, starting to work for him. I'm a grinder. I don't know where Inky's at. Let me see. I think I don't know. It's kind of hard to say where we'll go. Yep, Lambo Gene. I'm Milwaukee Gene right now. Make me a Team Bull shirt. We have Team Bull shirts. I actually work on that this week, getting it up.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Did you check out the cabinet I already did?
Cabinet?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I put those locks in.
Hmm.
The one where the chemicals are. I gotta show Jdun how to open them. They're Jdun proof, I'm sure. With the magnet, it's on the wall on the right. Put it on the side, on the right side of the handle, and it'll open. See? Told you. You do not open it. Did you learn? I learned from Jdun, Brandon, and GD. My 3 amigos. I like putting shit together more than trading. The ones that we got for his kid are magnets. Did you figure it out? You can open it?
It's adult proof.
Yeah, I know.
That's cool, bro. Thank you for doing that.
Yep.
Gene's the man. Morgan ain't doing nothing. Go build some cabinets. Yeah, Gene's the man. He's been a great mentee, great assistant, and just a great person to have around. Gene is the man. Gene is my mentee. I say mentor, mentee. Gene is your mentor. I mean, I can learn a lot from Gene. Gene knows a lot of things, specifically about building stuff and just like everything mechanically. He's super, super talented at. So there actually is a lot that I can learn from Gene. We're just hanging at this 520. Do something, NQ. Do something. You know what? I'm going to figure out right now what's going on with the Team Bowl store, so I can get you guys some merch. You guys need some merch? Some Team Bowl merch. Let's see if I can sign in. Get you guys some merch. Get you repping some Team Bowl. Let's go. My water delivery is on the way. Ordered me some El Dorado water for the crib. I seen a lot of people were red today. I mean, a lot of the traders I follow, some of my friends. Those hoodies are legit and soft AF. Yes. This price action be capping. Should, huh? Manimal. Want a car sticker? We have lots of stickers. We have thousands of Team Bull stickers. I got one on my laptop. It's not in here, but I was going to show you. Got 15 seconds till this candle closes. This could give us a good downside entry. If we get this close and pop back up to here, I'd be open to trying shorts with a stop above like 37. I'd be open to it. Move up to like 520. Be open to it. One final test on the shorts up here, guys. One final test. Small piece. I'll leave room to add one more contract, maybe two at 520. We'll stop at 537. So we can flush this 500. That would be money bags. Took that one more try on the shorts. So far, so good. Come on, flush 500 for us. Took a little early entry, so there's a little more risk, but come on. Keep pushing down. Flush the 500. Flush 500. If we close this candle weak, we'll just move stops to like 516. I am short. I'm short, guys. I took the shorts. Took the shorts. Up like nothing now. As we popped up. But if we close this candle weak, I'm going to put my stops at 516. I have an emergency stop set at 538. I always have an emergency stop set just in case. That's just something I've gotten used to in the Trump market. I still like ideal ad entry is like 520. This candle looks good for continuation down, especially if we can break and hold below this London high. But I did try it a bit early. So got back close to break even, slightly red on the previous winning trade. So willing to lose a bit more and end my day red if it doesn't work out. So far, we're up, though. If we flush 500, I'll trim. Manage how you see fit. If we flush 500, I will trim. Come on. Taking one off here. Below 500. There we go. Taking one off, guys. Taking one off. There we go. There we go, baby. Hey, there we go. Hey, let's go. All right, guys. Trim secure. Let's move stops down to break even. Yo, let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Keep pumping down. Keep pumping down, baby. Come on. We got the flush below 500. Make sure your stops are, do not let this trade go red. Don't let this trade go red. I just wanted a nice scalp out of that. Nothing crazy. I'd like to see more continuation, but don't let it go red. Do not let it go red, everybody. Don't let it go red. I'd like to see us continue down, hold below this London high here, but still, we'll take it. We will take it. We will take it. We're back green on the day, baby. We're back green. Let's go. I got filled around like 509. Let's see what it was. I filled. Let's see. I can tell you. 508. Excuse me. 31. Actually, correction. It was 509. It's 508 and then 511.25. So I was 509. We'll take it. We'll take it, baby. Not quite 20 points, but for a scalp, we'll take it, baby. Got us back. We're basically break even. Can you mute your Discord? Why would I mute my Discords? That's where the best action happens, is inside Team Bull. Why is your website deemed unsafe? Probably because you're going to make so much money, you're going to need a new accountant. That's a joke, guys. I hope it's not a joke, but... Good stuff there. We'll take it. Small win. I really thought we were going to get more follow through on that. Hey, we are $200 in the green, baby. Let's go. On a day that kind of sucked for me, we'll take it. Do you have Discord links? If you'd like access to Team Bull inside the Discord or any other type of mentorship, you can DM me on Instagram. You can talk to me, ask me any questions on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. I just put it in chat. I'll pin it for a second too. I just pinned it as well. If you can DM me at any point on there. Thanks for keeping this free. You're welcome. I enjoy doing this with you guys. It's fun. Nope, I don't have WhatsApp. Won't be on WhatsApp. Not me. Not me on WhatsApp, partner. I don't do DMs on TikTok, only on IG. Because TikTok isn't verified, so just to keep you guys safe. There's only one place I will answer DMs, and that's on my verified Instagram at Jdun Trades. 218K followers. You mean you won't message me first on Telegram? No, bro. Dude, you know what's crazy, guys? You know what's just absolutely insane? This is a good reminder. I like to remind you guys every day, or at least a few times a week, that I will never message you first, guys. I won't ask you for money. I won't ask you to deposit money. One of my friends here in Colorado texted me, and he sent me a picture of a fake Jdun messaging him. He's like, and he was like, oh, I guess this isn't you, haha. And he was even fooled for a second. He was messaging this person. Then he said, that's you, right? Because I just wired 500K. I said, LOL, literally. I said, not sure if I told you or not, but that happened. Someone sent $500,000 to a fake me. That did happen. I'm sure some of you guys have heard me tell that story. He said, no way. I said, I had to meet with the state of Wisconsin. I had to literally meet with the financial regulators of the state of Wisconsin because someone sent like their life savings to a fake me. I swear to God, bro. $500,000 to a fake me. I was like, that is not me. Like, let's just get that straight. I don't ask people for money. I don't trade for people. I don't manage portfolios. None of that. Like, anything you want to buy is through Team Bowl, through Stripe. It's all protected through credit card protection, all that good stuff. So I had to meet with the state of Wisconsin. And I told him, and he's like, and they lost the money. I said, yep, lost it, all crypto gone. He said, wow. I said, we tracked over $1 million last year just in verified money people sent via crypto to fake me's. Just 2024, over $1 million. And he goes, seriously, WTF? I said, yeah, bro, lots of 5 to 10Ks, 120K, 168K, tons of $500, $2,000 just last year. 2023 was around $1 million too. So then I said, I think I'm in the wrong line at work, bro. I need to become a fake Jdun. Apparently fake Jduns are balling. I got to become a fake Jdun. Shit, that's where the money is. It's not funny, but it also is kind of funny. Like, come on. If you guys want to send your crypto to fake me, just send it to the real me. I'll at least tell you thank you. I won't block you. And if you're local, I might even take you out to dinner. $500,000. That's crazy, huh? Tell me that's not wild. Wild. I just can't believe it. There's a lot of fake me's, that's for sure. And what an aggressive drop on Tesla on that one candle. I'll send you some crypto. Take me out to dinner. All right. Let's go. All right, Team Bull. All right, my friends, I'm going to mob out. This price action is going to get me in trouble. I just went from red to green on the day, so I don't want to give that back. Ended up $200 a day, $200 on the day, green, so basically break even. After fees, probably close to break even, closer. So trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, stay focused, and I will see you guys bright and early. 2 wins, 2 losses on the day. Not my best execution day, but with price action like this, I will take it. So I'm sure as soon as I'm leaving now, we'll get some nice action. We're still doing the giveaway on YouTube, guys. We're still doing the giveaway on YouTube, so don't leave yet. I promised you guys the giveaway on YouTube. So yeah, we're not. Yep, it's coming. Don't worry. If you're on TikTok, make your way over to the YouTube for the giveaway. It's Jdun Trades. You want to go right now over to YouTube. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I'm going to be doing the giveaway in like 2 minutes. So, yep, $1,000 because we got 1,000 concurrent viewers. 1,000 CCV. Our first time ever getting over 1,000 viewers at a time. So, yep, yes, sir. I'll be on. We'll do the giveaway in like 2 minutes. Make your way over to YouTube, everyone. All right, Team Bull. I'll see y'all later. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Peace. All right, TikTok. Make your way over to YouTube right now. It's Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I'm going to pin the comment. The giveaway is happening right now. Pin comment. There we go. Been here all day loving it. Let's go. Discipline over dopamine. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe get Gene in here to pick the winner. So here's how it's going to work. We're going to pick... let's pick 2 people to each win $500. We're going to pick 2 people to each win $500, so we get more than one $1,000 winner. Or we could do 4 people to win $250. What do y'all think? We're giving away $1,000. You got to be subscribed. And preferably, you got to have that bell icon on. 500. Y'all want some 500s? Yep. Maybe we'll run it back. We'll do another giveaway too, or something tomorrow. Where's Gene? Where's Mr. Gene at? I gotta have Gene pick the giveaway winner. $500 will be better. Discipline over dopamine. Yup. All right, TikTok. I'm ending the live. Head on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades. Giveaway's happening in 2 minutes. It's only on YouTube, so head on over there, guys. I'm ending the TikTok live. God bless y'all. See you on YouTube in about a minute. Peace. Make sure you guys are subscribed. All right. I'm going to give those folks a chance to come on over. All right. Let's get it. So here's how it's going to work. We're going to give $500 to 2 different people. And mind you, we're going to keep these giveaways going. As long as we're making new milestones, you guys are supporting me. I'm going to support y'all right back. I appreciate you guys using code JDUN for Apex, Tradeify, FFF, or Funding Ticks. We just got a code there as well. And as always, I will always do my best to help you guys trade smart, trade safe, trade with discipline, and level up your life and your trading. So let's go ahead and pick our first winner. Our first winner. I want you guys to type out. What should I have you type out? Well, just type me. First winner was type me. Just type me, and I'm going to pause the screen. I'm going to click on one person. Right, I have my mouse here. The chat's moving. I'm going to click on one person with my eyes closed. And if I pick you, you'll have to DM me on IG with proof that it's your account. All right? That's how it's going to work. You have to DM me with proof that it's your account. I'm going to make sure I get your proof. But all right, we're going to count down. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember to choose discipline over dopamine. And eyes are closed. Boom. Channel activity, Justin. Go to channel. I got to see your full name. JMB Creations -1. Winner 1. Let me take a picture of this. That's Justin. JMB Creations -1. Please DM me on Instagram with proof that this is your account. I will need clear proof from your phone that it's your account. Yes. Let's go. Shout out JMB Creations for winning $500 on the live, baby. Thank you for being a part of it, baby. Make sure you're tapped in and subscribed. I see Justin here is subscribed as well. Let's pick our second winner. Let's have Gene pick it. Yo, Gene, you need to come pick a winner. We're giving away $1,000. JMB with the dub, baby. Need you to pick a winner for $500. All right.
Myself.
Yeah, he picks himself. All right. I'm gonna have my mouse here. You decide when you want to say stop, and when you say stop, I'm gonna click, and that's who's gonna be the winner.
Okay.
All right, guys, type me. Get it moving. Get it moving, y'all. Appreciate y'all being here. I'm live every single morning, Monday through Friday, bright and early, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, right here on YouTube. Make sure you guys are subscribed and ready to learn and level up every day. Tell me when, Gene.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, stop.
Channel activity. Who we get? Who we get? Who we get? Happy Fun Ball 92. Happy Fun Ball 92. Winner of the second $500 right here on YouTube, baby.
I get $100 from that.
Gene wants his cut though, so maybe it's only 400. For real, thank you guys for tuning in today. 2 wins, 2 losses. Not my overall best trading day, but still happy to be green with y'all. So trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and I will see you guys bright and early for tomorrow's live stream. All right? God bless you guys. I'll see you guys at Market Open tomorrow. Be ready to come choose discipline over dopamine with me. If you want to trade futures, go to Funding Ticks, Apex, FFF, or Tradeify. Get your accounts with code Jdun, and let's rock together. God bless you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Godspeed. Peace. Winners, DM me on Instagram with proof it's your account. Peace, 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 peace. Adios, adios, adios.